Yo, what's up? Welcome back for part two. I'm already doing the speakers. I've already installed that one. That one's done. And I'm doing the last one on the driver's door. But I'm just bringing you guys along. You know, you guys that had these cars, I'm sure you've done it, so there's nothing for me to show you. But, there's always those new beginners out there that don't know what they're doing. So I'm going to bring you along. I'm not sure what size this is right here. I really can't say what size this is. I'm sorry. But it does fit because these screws on the door, they require this type of key. A hex key, Allen key, whatever you want to call it. And you have to take 4 of them out to take the speaker out. So I'm going to get to it and I'll be right back. And just like that, it is out. Look at this, man. A big bulky speaker that sounds like crap. I'm gonna toss these. I don't want them. Yeah. I'm gonna get ready to put this in right here. Get the wiring harness so you don't have to do any splicing or anything like that. It makes it for a clean installation, guys. You guys that are cutting your wires just to hook up a speaker, don't do that. You're being lazy. Anyways, I'm gonna get this speaker installed. I'm gonna get everything buttoned up, and I'll bring you guys in for a sound test. Stay tuned. And that's gonna do it. Got the door panel on. So let's just see how the radio sounds. Lower this down a little bit.
30 to 50% chance of some widely scattered showers. Our daytime highs will be in the 60s and nighttime lows in the 40s. A little bit cooler on Tuesday with a high near 58. Breezy at times. We might see some wind gusts as high as 25 miles per hour. If you choose alcohol, party responsibly. Appoint a designated sober driver and please do not drink and drive. And thanks for spending your day with Raleigh's Jukebox on KJ Radio, AM 1240, FM 106.1, and online at KJAA.
Shit, it sounds good in here. Sounds a lot better, man. If you could definitely notice the bass. You could definitely notice the treble compared to these stock speakers right here. Way noticeable. But I'll put the link in the description if you guys want to copy these speakers. And the wiring harness, so you guys don't splice your wires. But that's gonna do it, guys. This concludes the new speakers installation. I'm happy. I like it. It sounds great. And we'll see what the next video brings us. But as always, thank you guys for watching. And I'm out.